This video will instruct foam rolling for your quadriceps. You're going to start with a foam roller of your choice and set yourself up in a plank position on your elbows with the foam roller situated at the top of one thigh. Your other leg will be off to the side to help with balance. Slowly and gently work your way through the top half of your thigh for the first half of the time, and then work your way through the bottom half of your thigh for the second half of the time. If you find any spots that are extra tender, spend a bit more time on that spot. We recommend keeping your discomfort level at a maximum of a 6 out of 10. You shouldn't be registering how you feel as pain. Perform this exercise for the prescribed amount of time or as tolerated.